Hey, I'm Brent. You're watching This Week's Steam Culture, continuing on with our Christmas tradition, steam culture. Well, in Meridian, Mississippi, you can probably do a lot of things, but one of the things you can do is go to the Industrial Heritage Museum. Now, the museum is actually built on the original property of the Soule Steam Works, which was formed in 1882, memory serves me correct, and it does, by George Soule. Now, the Soule Steam Company was famous for a lot of different steam patented inventions, but one of the things they were really good at was the Rotary Soule steam engine. Now, the steam engine was very popular with steam-powered lumber mills. Now, you remember the episode we did on the Hull Oaks lumber company that is still operated by steam. Lumber operations in the country got really popular mid to late 1800s and sort of died out around early 1900s. But this rotary-powered steam engine invented by the Soule Steam Works powered the steam carriages. Now, the carriage in the lumber mill is what takes the log from the pond all the way up to the saw, so it moves the log all the way through. So they built about 2,300 of these rotary steam engines and then progressed the engine into other inventions, but they were still very big in lumber operations. Now, here's what's really cool, and here's what makes it Christmassy. Every Christmas, they turn the whole place into Santa's workshop, literally in the workshop. So they take the inside of the old steam feed works and they convert it into a Christmas wonderland, a steam workshop. Now, if you ever want to go, there's a website, we'll put it down below, but you can go visit. This time of year, the Soule Steam Works becomes Christmas winter wonderland. I thought that was pretty cool. And hey, while you're out there Googling the Soule Steam Works, that's S-O-U-L-E, Google us, because I'm going to have some content for you each and every week. Hey, I won't see you before Christmas, so Merry Christmas. Thanks for joining us.